I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. Now, usually this is the time where I show the makeup look that I am going to be doing in the video, but I forgot to film the introduction part. I am filming this during editing, and so this is what we have. Sorry about the messy background, but the look is going to be revealed in the video and you're gonna see the actual look, and it is the look on the image of the thumbnail for this video. It's just a strange introduction, but bear with me, and if you want to know how I achieved the look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first off, just ignore my hairstyle. I am actually doing a makeup look today that has colors that complement the outfit that I'm wearing, because this is the makeup look and the hair that I'm gonna be having, and that is why I still have my bangs in a roll. Now, this look is inspired by the 70s, so historically accuracy, I wasn't alive in the 70s, so historically accuracy, I don't think so. But inspired by the 70s, definitely. And the makeup look that I am inspired by is one of Cher's looks, and it's from, I would try to write it in the description box if I remember, but it is from a, I want to say a red carpet event. I just saw the upper half of her photo, but it is when she's wearing that gold two-piece that she looks absolutely amazing in. The eyeshadow that she's wearing there has a style that we have been using since the 70s, but I decided that is the style I want to go for when it is the 70s, because there are different styles from the 70s when it comes to makeup. I don't know, people always think like one decade, one makeup look, but it's different subgenres or whatever you can call them within each decade. So you have the punks, you have the hippies, you have, you know, the normal everyday people, and you have disco. And so there are many different looks out there, and this is the one I am choosing. I think my biggest challenge today is not the eyeshadow, but it's having a little winged eyeliner instead of the long dramatic one that I usually have. I think that will be my biggest challenge, because I have not done a small eyeliner in years, so I think that is going to be my biggest challenge. But the palette we're going to be using today is a W7 Socialite, and we're only using that one. Yeah, I want to go in with the lightest color first and then go in with the shadow part in the crease later, just because I don't want to do a complete cut crease. I'm a little lazy, but also the look that she has is not exactly cut crease, it's more blended than that. Okay, so for all over my lid, I want to go with the Debutante one. It's this one right here at the end. And I want to use a flat brush for this because, I don't know, I just feel like using a flat brush. So this is what I'm using to put that color all over my lid. And now I want to go with the same color, but I want to take a round brush and I want to go from my inner corners to my middle of my eye on my lower lash line and put the same color, just because I want to have this complete look upside and on my lid and my lower lash line. I'm gonna go with the darkest color that I have here, and that is the Nouveau Riche, and it's this one right here. And so I'm taking the round brush and I'm putting that in my crease and bringing it up, because I don't want to have it on my lid. I want it to crease and up. And that is the thing about the 70s. Everything was blended upwards and you had that difference between the crease and the eyelid. And so I want to bring it a little bit forward because that is what Cher has in her makeup look, from what I can see in the picture. Then I want to take the eyeshadow blender brush. This one is the one from Essence, and I want to blend this out. Now I want to make sure that I blend it upwards instead of downwards, because I don't want this to go down on my lid. Now if you feel the line is a little bit harsh in between, you can blend it a little bit, but make sure you keep it up in the crease and don't bring it down. Next thing, eyeliner. And I'm going to be using the H&M's Dipliner ink that looks like this. Now that we have that done, we want to go in with the mascara. Now you can line your waterline first if that's what you prefer. I prefer to put on my mascara and then line my waterline, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna first curl my lashes, very important. And then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline's the Colossal. So you used to do your upper and lower lashes, so that's what we're gonna do. Now that that is done, we want to go in with an eyeliner for our waterline. So I'm just going to use a pencil eyeliner for this. It looks like this. I don't have a brand name for it, but just use whatever works for you. I want to line my upper and lower lashes. For this, I'm going to be putting it on my waterline as well as a little bit of my lash line, only in the outer corners. And I'm gonna do something that is very of now, and that is put some shimmer in my inner corner. So this is pink, there's nothing glitter in it, there's nothing gold in it, and so I'm gonna go and use silver. You can use gold shimmer, very bright color, but I'm gonna just put that in my inner corner just a little bit because that's the kind of person I am. Make sure you don't get it out to the shadow part, just bring it up and bring it down a little bit. Then I'm just gonna finish off by setting it with setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix. And so this is the finished look. This is what we ended up with. So with that, we're done for today. And if you liked the video, please leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. Now, my Makeup Wednesdays videos, they're uploaded every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!